Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about Fccla. We're going to look at two websites that we'll reference for Fccla throughout our introduction to it here. The first one is the Idaho CTE website for Fccla. Here it just talks about what Fccla is, which we will talk about more in class today. And then it has some different links to information about Fccla here that we can explore later as well, mainly looking at state stuff. So we have the bylaws for Idaho, the chapter handbook, etc. And so it also has our Fccla newsletter, which there should be another one out soon here. And then it has our state officers, which these are our adult state officers. We will look at student officers when we go to our next website. It also has information here looking at our conferences, and this I imagine will be updated shortly as well for to reflect the 2019 and 2020 conferences. Lisa Costa's name is here with her information, and she is our CTSO manager for Idaho. She's very nice. If we don't have an answer for a question you have, we can contact her, and she will have the answer for us. So the next website we are going to go to is our Fccla website. Here, this website can be a little confusing to use. It is not the most user-friendly website, but it does contain a lot of information, and so we will be taking some time to go through it. Excuse me. So first of all, this is our homepage for the website. This year the theme is Your Story, and we will be working in doing this, especially up in February of this next semester. We will have an Fccla week that focuses on your story. It should be very fun. Here we have our communication calendar, which we will look at. We have a video here that we can watch super fast. It's a short one.
Fccla completely changed my life. Fccla is the ultimate leadership experience.
My time at Fccla is preparing me.
Fccla is where I found the most amazing people.
Fccla helped me turn my passion. Fccla gave me the confidence to believe my talents can make a positive impact.
Are you looking for the experience of a lifetime? Then look no further. The Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America is a national career and technical student organization that is changing the lives of over 160,000 members every year. With opportunities to participate in competitive events for chances to win scholarships, network and forge friendships with other youth leaders, travel the nation and experience a huge variety of cultures and communities, make a positive impact in our own community, develop real-world skills that prepare you to be college and career ready, and more. It's no wonder Fccla is the ultimate leadership experience. If you're interested in careers in hospitality and tourism, visual arts and design, education and training, or human services, or just want to be part of a dynamic group of your peers working to be our best and be prepared for success, you too can be part of this experience and go for the red by joining Fccla.
I love Fccla. From growing as a leader to all the fun conferences and events, I am truly glad I joined Fccla. This has really been the ultimate leadership experience. Oh, I have no doubt in my mind that Fccla has prepared me for my future career success. When I first joined Fccla and decided to go for the red, I had no idea the confidence and skills I would gain for my future career success.
Fccla is just the best. Take that small step and go for the red and join today.
So are you ready to go for the red? Are you ready to take the first step toward being part of the ultimate leadership experience?
Join us!
Join us!
Join us!
Join us!
Join us! Join us! Join us!
Go for the red! Join us! Join Fccla!
Okay, So yeah, that was cute and fun. And this is about everything on our front page here. Sorry, my little dog is jumping on me here. The rest of this website here is pretty straightforward. So we have our section that is about us, and we will watch this video later. This once again goes over the mission, the motto, purposes, creed, etc., which we will also look at later. As you can see here on each page, there are sub-parts of each of these top sections. And so we will be planning to have a homework worksheet that you will have time to do in class and then complete at home, where you will more fully explore each of these subcategories in here, because there is a lot of very interesting information. The memberships page talks about how we will work as a chapter of FCCLA to create a stronger chapter. So you can see here. There are conferences and competitions for events that we will also have as part of FCCLA, and this website talks about it: the National Leadership Conference, Capital Leadership, and then there are some other things like we looked at on the other website here, which is basic training, which you also do as part of FCCLA. Over here we have our national programs. So this gets more into talking about each of the programs that FCCLA has that we can do, the competitive events, and down here the star events. These are the events that FCCLA students compete in. They are creative and fun and very applicable, like that video we watched earlier talks about. It really gives you the opportunity to develop skills that you can use for the rest of your life. Here are some more initiatives and programs that they have as well. All of these are the individual programs. We'll be doing Power of One for sure, and then definitely some of the others. Our next page talks about leadership very briefly and kind of looks at what you will learn if you are part of FCCLA. The advisors section is more for me on the adult teacher side of it, but you are welcome to click through there. The news and media is important because it's what the public sees from us, and so you can go through there and look at each of these in the news, our logos, just different things about FCCLA and media. And then if you have any questions that I can't answer, we can contact them in their main office in Virginia, or like I referenced earlier, we can contact Lisa Costa, whose name and information is down here. So this is our little introduction, and then we are going to spend the rest of today going more in depth into FCCLA as a CTSO. Looking forward to it.